Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, Coinbase listing Terra Classic is already getting possible every day by day. We are seeing the developers after been working towards this. They already want to make sure that Coinbase comes back to list this coin. And for me, I think Coinbase, it is time you need to list Terra Classic. We all want to see Terra Classic on your platform. It is true that they are really working hard. Coinbase and Terra Classic developers are really working hard to get this done, and I'm happy that, because remember that this coin have gotten so much exchanges that have already listed. It's almost all the exchanges. Talk about the top exchanges have listed this coin, and now Terra Classic started gaining rise back. Remember, Coinbase removed Terra Classic when it crashed, when the market cap really dropped. So they're like, what are we leaving this coin here for? After hitting almost over $115 and dropping below about 0.000, Coinbase was like, let's remove this Terra Classic coin. But everyone was thinking it's going to be the end of Terra Classic. People believe that's going to be the end of Terra Classic. But thank God for the people like Binance founder CZ, who never gave up, who have been supporting this coin to make sure this coin stand back. And today, Terra Classic coin is still there with so many problems that faced Terra Classic, and this coin is still standing today. I mean, it's wonderful. We are happy, even though we know a lot of people lost a lot of money because of Terra Classic. Okay, and I know that, of course, we're hoping to see this coin keep increasing so that people can at least regain, people can make some money once again with the LUNC. Now, I still believe so many people have actually been questioning Coinbase. People are asking them they should help to list this coin, and we see there are some Coinbase holders who actually bought Terra Classic under Coinbase. They should consider some of their customers that bought this coin and who believe that some of them are still holding this coin on different exchanges. And I believe if they can really show support to help this coin to bounce back, since Terra Classic didn't just, after the crash, Terra Classic continues to try to bounce back. I think Coinbase needs to look towards this, that if this coin can still stand up to now, I think let us try to help, let us try to support, not just doing it for the sake of Coinbase, also doing it for the sake of people. There are a lot of people, thousands of people that lost a lot because of Terra Classic crash, and I believe if Coinbase can really come in, and if they can lead this coin, let's say next month, it's going to be amazing to see this coin coming. Although they are actually planning, because so many rumors have been going in that Coinbase might be listing Terra Classic next month, and I believe that if that is true, if that really works, if they are really out to support, if they really have to make sure that this coin bounce back. I know that this coin cannot hit back at the price it was before it crashed, but at least if this coin can hit up to 100,000% increase in price, or even 1,000,000%, imagine such amount of money. Imagine putting in just $100 right now, and you are making over $100,000 or $1 million. Don't you think a lot of people who have only $50,000 with them before, people who have about $10,000, a lot of them will have already recovered. A lot of people will make a lot of money. A lot of them will be on profit side. That is why we keep on pushing. That is why we keep on asking a lot of exchanges that have not listed Terra LUNC. That's why we keep hoping they will come back to list this coin. They will come back to partner. They will come back to work with Terra Classic coin. And I believe if they can really achieve that, it is going to help this coin to massively increase in price. It's going to help this coin to gain some rise. It's going to help this coin to pump. And I know you and I, of course, that is what we are hoping. If you are a Terra Classic holder, and remember, like I normally say, there's so many coins, there's so many opportunity out there. You might not know the one that might be changing that story. That is why sometimes I choose, when I look at a project, especially a coin with a better project and a better plan, I really like to buy. Even if I'm buying a little, I can even buy some coins up to $10, $20, and I will just leave it there, because you might not know what will happen. If you're saying $10, $20, oh yes, some coins I can buy just $10, even $5. Now let me give you one statistics. Shiba Inu gained over millions of percent. According to statistics, assume you bought Shiba Inu worth of $20 when Shiba Inu wanted to start pumping, that was in the late 2020, you would have earned over $10 million with Shiba Inu through such amount. So you can see, so there are some coins, sometimes we need to buy these coins and just leave it, anything might happen. And Terra Classic, with the support I've been gaining for a lot of exchanges, even Binance Finance is behind showing great support for Terra Classic. If this coin goes to hit 10,000, 100,000, 1 million % increase in price, believe it, so many people will be smiling, while some people will be regretting they would have buy. But please, in case you want to buy, you want to invest, buy or invest what you can afford to lose in case the story goes back. So that is the major keys in crypto industry. And remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.